Welcome to Blma, a leading manufacturer of CNC pipe bending machines and press brakes. Every day our team works to create technologies that shape the future of manufacturing. Blma pipe bending machines are designed to bend pipes and profile from 6 mm up to 200 mm in diameter, with various wall thicknesses. Our wide range of models can meet requirements across all industries, starting from furniture making, automobile parts, motorcycle manufacturing, home appliances, or metal construction. We design and manufacture hydraulic and fully electric CNC press brakes, and we use the most advanced control systems. We apply CNC gantry milling machine to process our machine body and main parts, such as bending head or machine frame. We use high-quality CNC milling machines to produce machine bending dies and molds. We have in stock all main components of the machines, so we can deliver them to you without delay.